Welcome back, guys. So after we've published this post, the next thing we want to do is that we want to make sure the post is indexed on Google or search engines, and we're going to use the Google Search Console and the Webmaster, the Bing Webmaster. So let's use the Google Search Console first to determine that. So I'm going to come to Google Search Console as I have always done. So I'll come to Google Search Console right here, and having to come right here, the link to the post to be copied, of course, the link to the blog post will be copied, and I'll come to my Google Search Console to start now. Since we've authorized the Google Search Console and all that, so it's very easy to do. We have billardcreative.com here, and we have to come to blog.billardcreative.com. So that's where we have to come to. So I'm going to inspect the URL I just copied, which is this. I'm going to inspect it right here. I'm going to Control V or paste it right here. I'm going to paste it right there, then I'm going to inspect it. So having to inspect it is going to retrieve the data on Google, and here we don't have it on Google. We don't have this particular link on Google, which is not so good. So what we have to do is to request indexing. We have to have it on Google, so I'm going to request indexing, and let's see how that request goes. So that's how to use Google Search Console to boost your search optimization of your blog. Like what we are trying to do now is to optimize the blog content on search engine, and that's what we just did. So we are testing if live URL can be indexed, so we are going to wait for that. So we're going to request for index so that this particular post will be indexed on Google, and that is going to alert the crawler that there is a post. And right here we just submitted that, and we are trying to see if it will be approved. Yes, indexing requested, URL was added to priority crawl queue. Submitting a page multiple times will not change its queue position or priority. Yes, so we've sent the link to be indexed, and that is enough. So for every post you post, come to Google Search Console to request for indexing and make sure it is indexed. Aside from that, so we have to do that for Bing as well. So we're going to use Bing Webmaster in the next lesson to do that. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.